So the fourth one is know your best audiences. And you know now your best campaigns, products, channels, but what about your most valuable audiences? We at AdBeacon thought of this too. So we started with the basics, right? AdBeacon provides a breakout of geographic makeup of your purchase audience along with your top 10 most profitable cities. So if you look at this here, this is one of my favorite reports to look at. What it really just shows you is buying power. You can see that Miami, Houston, San Diego, Jacksonville, Los Angeles, San Antonio, the green is higher than that of the blue. So that just basically shows you, okay, maybe the buying power is stronger here. But let's dive deeper. We also recently just released this audience section, which I'm going to show you, where you can break out and build these audiences. So now that you have the insights through our reports, and there are a slew of reports, I want you to create your own audiences that make the most sense. These are not preset audiences. I built these. So you can create an audience based off of what we just saw. You know, maybe we only want Los Angeles and Houston, and we can go off of all this criteria here. And you can look at city as exactly, and you can type that in. But look at all the criteria: the country, customer ID, first order date, gross revenue, LTV, all these different criteria that you can add on and multiply. One of my favorite ones that we launched is, or I created rather, is accepts email, but not SMS. That's low hanging fruit, right? So that's about $3 million in revenue that people are buying from email, but haven't opted in for SMS. So if we create this audience, we can actually integrate it directly with Facebook and or Google. And this audience refreshes every single month. Why is that important? Let's just say you want to target them directly. Let's just say you want to create a lookalike audience of people who are like this. Let's say you want to create an exclusion audience, people who purchased in the last 60, 30, 90 days. And you don't want to keep targeting them. You can have this dynamically update.